What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to take a quick look at Matic here. We're sitting at $1.11. We're up about 3.2% on the day, sitting at a market cap of 7.35 billion. 24-hour volume is 565 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start on the 1 hour time frame. So we've created a symmetrical triangle. As we have with many of our charts, we have our larger falling wedge, and now we have this symmetrical triangle. So it is a continuation pattern, guys, and we are in a bit of a downtrend here. So if you see us come up and we hit resistance and we roll over, that's when we can fall out of this pattern. So if we pop over to the 4 hour time frame, if we were to fall out here, you could measure the body, and it would bring Matic down, basically down to this 89-cent level of support, which was very close to a previous swing high. Now, we have been creating a strong level of support here at $1. So if we do lose it and come down to 89, I would expect this to bounce back rather quickly. And what you can do here, I don't usually like to do this, but you could readjust the falling wedge here to something like this. And then if we were to come down to 89 cents, we bounce back up into the falling wedge, and we head up to $1.82. Because if we do start losing this level of support at 89 cents and we lose 78 cents and we start to break this swing low, would be a very strong sign that we're going to go into a bear market. So if we were to break down here, we would have to bounce back rather quickly, and that's what I would expect here. Now, if we do break to the upside here, always a possibility, guys, would bring Matic back up to about $1.29 and break us out of our falling wedge. And your target would be back up here at 182. So let's quickly look at Ethereum. Same thing with Ethereum, guys. We're forming this symmetrical triangle. We have been creating that strong level support at 2721. But if we were to break down here, guys, currently on the 4 hour, we're getting rejected by the 20 EMA. The volume is quite a bit lower than our previous breaks to the upside here. So if we were to break down, would bring Ethereum back down to 2437, which was a previous swing low and was a major level support in this area, was close to a previous swing high, and also matches up with the neckline of our larger double bottom here. So same with Ethereum. If we were to break down and come down to 2437, I would expect to bounce back rather quickly. If we look at Ethereum here on the daily time frame, you can see we are currently getting rejected by the EMAs, about to have the bearish cross. So if we do break down, we would want to see that bounce back to the upside rather quickly here for ETH. Now, if we were to come up and break this level of resistance, I will give you that target here, would bring ETH back up to about 3,500. And if we came up and broke this high here at about 3649, I think we'd be good to go, and we see that continuation back to the upside. And our target from our descending channel here is up at about 3992 for ETH. Shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, posting breakouts and just chatting about when to enter and exit trades here. So we'll finish the video with Matic. This is the pattern to watch. Actually, I want to look at it here on the 4 hour. This symmetrical triangle, if you see us get rejected here, we do roll over, do target 89 cents, guys. And then if we do break out here, we get back above the EMAs. Your target from this symmetrical triangle would bring ETH, or would bring Matic back up to $1.29 and break us out of our falling wedge here. But it is a continuation pattern, so we may come down to 89 cents. And going into next week, into early October, see that bounce back to the upside and that continuation here on the bull run. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you want to trade Matic, make sure to sign up to Bybit. Check out my full link tutorial and receive up to $600 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.